keeps you up to date with the latest news. Snowstorm hits California. Friends, a winter storm has arrived to hit San Diego County in California and United States, bringing strong gusts of wind and snow to mountainous areas this last Tuesday, December 13. More than 40 million people in the Midwest are under threat from severe weather impacts. Have said there will be widespread heavy snow and snowstorms and winds from the north central plains to the Midwest, and forecasters have already been giving snow or strong wind warnings in parts of 5 states from northeastern Colorado to western Nebraska, as well as western South Dakota and southeastern Montana. See the stunning images of the snow storms. Write us your opinion in the comments of the heavy snowfall that is taking place in the United States. Subscribe to this channel for more current information. Hoisted a hug, friends.